Hey guys, it's Mr. Haas here, and in today's video we are going to talk about genes and traits in animals. Now we've been focusing a lot on humans and where we get our genes from and the different types of inherited and acquired traits that humans can have. So today we're going to talk about the animals. And animals are just like human beings as far as their traits. They get their traits from their mom and dad, their birth parents. They get half their traits from mom, half their traits from dad, and then they get the combination that they get, and that's why they look the way that they look. And then they got, their mom and dad got their traits from their mom and dad or their grandparents. So animal traits work the exact same way. So let's start with some inherited traits. So we're going to start first with this alligator here. And when we look at this alligator, there's some inherited traits that the alligator definitely has. The first thing would be its teeth and the type of teeth that it has. Inherited. All alligators are going to have that type of teeth. Okay? The shape of its snout, where its little nostrils are. Okay? The fact that an alligator's eyes are on the very top of their head, the same with their nostrils, so that they can stay under the water, hidden, and lift up just enough to get the air that they need and keep the rest of their body underwater so they can hunt prey. So those are going to be some inherited traits. Size of the alligator, going to be inherited. It depends on how big the parents were. So those are some inherited traits. Now we can look at a turtle, and we look at this turtle shell, and the fact that the turtle has the shell is an inherited trait. The colors that the turtle is, just like humans have different color hair and eyes, a turtle shell's colors is going to be dependent upon its parent turtles, its mom and dad turtles. So another example, we have our fox over here that you can see, and the fox has much different ears than the alligator. The alligator just has these little slits over here. It look kind of funny if the alligator had those type of ears, right? That'd be weird. So again, alligators don't have those ears because alligators don't carry the traits for those big ears. Fox do because they need to hear their prey, whereas alligators kind of ambush them because they can see them from under the water. So the fur color of our fox here, that is an inherited trait that it gets from the mom and dad fox. So those are your inherited traits. Now, again, remember, those are passed down from parents to offspring through genes. Now, what about acquired traits and learned traits of animals? And they do have them too. The way an alligator hunts, it could be taught. The way a fox has to hunt, that's taught from parent to offspring. What they like to eat, that would be an acquired trait, just like you. What you like to eat is a preference. So animals are super, super similar to people in the fact that they too have inherited and acquired traits. What else here? Let's say a fox breaks its leg. That would be an acquired trait, okay? Because it got that broken leg through its experiences, and it will not be able to pass that down to its offspring. Just because the mom fox might have a broken leg doesn't mean the baby fox is going to too. It's not going to be passed down through genes. So animals have traits just like us, both inherited and acquired. So they might be a little bit different looking, and there might be some different examples of them. However, they all have inherited and acquired traits. And it doesn't matter what type of animal, from the smallest flies to the biggest elephants, they have acquired traits that they get through their genes. They have acquired traits that they get through their life experiences, and they have their inherited traits that they get through the genes from their parents. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day, guys.